Today, we're making a quick and easy chicken and chive stir fry. Easy chicken meal preps go so well for busy weeks. This is a great option for lunch and dinner. It's packed with flavor from the chives and makes for a great weekday meal prep. If you're looking for something simple but delicious, then this recipe's for you. There's lots of greens, so let's get cooking. We'll start by mincing 8 garlic cloves. Then cutting about 1 cup of chives into 2.5-inch long pieces. We'll slice half a yellow onion, and then thinly cut 2 chicken breasts. To velvet this meat, we'll add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and mix together. This will help keep the meat nice and tender and bouncy. On a wok set to high heat, we'll add 2 tablespoons of neutral oil and cook our chicken. Allow to cook and toss for about 4 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and toss. Once cooked and mixed, we'll set this aside. Add 2 tablespoons of neutral oil, then our garlic. After about 30 seconds, add our yellow onion, and toss. Add about 1 cup of our chives. Toss for another about 45 seconds. Then add back the chicken, and toss for another 60 seconds. And boom, we have a simple but delicious, flavor-packed chicken and chive stir fry. Look at how tender and bouncy our chicken is. The baking soda method for velveting works so well, and the chives have such a strong flavor that goes well with the chicken. It's a simple but delicious chicken meal prep option that doesn't require any marinating. Here are today's ingredients. If you enjoyed, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.